So Lurem hafu umate tina yedong neno mitia kwa chake watch straight away ni yope vishet kitkum buber match live band murunge katamiat kere sere conclusion between Eddy Wizzy and Loverboy tia tini enini maja paka down la lo chama chuchum kuja kuena lockdown en any four key differences between Eddy Wizzy and Loverboy. Ma ngarachia round tike machalo tayo ñu ngarachia round tike machalo go apala wore ene kam ngarachia ber mi ro go kay ka nga de mudla wur eno melayo. Now kawachi wa neno wachaki Eddy Wizzy tiki there's a video marker link description my channel I'm making my wajani Eddy Wizzy how he goes easy steadily with words. Eddy Wizzy here words manok pole marberio no here kuji you know only for you only I'm okay. So simple words. Now kanya Eddy Wizzy here. Then kawachi riana side pa Loverboy ebe no ni Loverboy concentrating lyrics be wechoni wanong nge light ay yele but bear with it. We watching one no nge dog tangi we kupo kwanengo and so on tear up into details where menoni the first differences can join. Then kawa chero iminario advantage my Eddy Wizzy take any style wearing is easy to master. Money balo we are kwiji etem we are kwiji 2 words itaoni ka kwera I'm okay kero ngarapinge we ga I'm okay for you again and so on kero why again 2 words is easy to master. Now any advantage of tuning where home kero phone mapinge we can easily be synced together where kiri stage chi point oni voi bino tiga yeng pingo. Now kawa chi robot Loverboy kono inuni Loverboy megani ma lyrics set to twale ka uti you kere mabe it can help pull emotion mega Eddy Wizzy disadvantage ni bringing negative emotion tag because negative emotion belia per ba people get lost in negative emotion you feel like Bob Marley. One good thing about music, when it hits you, you feel no pain. So cow eating in, you feel no pain, and that is where the advantage of Loverboy dog, you know, and it pulls the emotion. My knowing cow eating down, but you should know how to use it. We mogu chalo gangagi. Those emotional songs, we moment patriotic songs like where in it because. I want to give me and I catch your tea care. Germany Puberion. When in a Maglone, Coripaligi, Oberachuli, Ajuli Karanagiraba, Kamogi. You see, it will pull emotion so fast. That is advantage pa lyrics more than my part of the carry. Mammy, go to you care my bear. You know. Germany bergwa. Then kai kawachero another thing be only advantage by Eddy Wizzy dog bere take up Eddy Wizzy team melody Eddy Wizzy why generally wear the melody but melody disadvantage at a chill mo pe ria with tutual But then, for me, it has relatively stayed on the airwave. Most of these songs have stayed on the airwave. Then go watch your nano. Inside Papa Loverboy, we mama on the tag is very hard to fade. For example, lyrics more gonna reggae more man where chanta could believe in go a chane, kono we will yen the vibe very bad. Then lastly, make per Eddy Wizzy. Then why is simple to master. Fonts mastering your. No, not simple to master. Simple to master I've already explained. Then lastly, personality. And then Eddy Wizzy is simple. Then Pato is a little bit difficult. Approaching Eddy Wizzy seems like more easier than approaching Loverboy. And how they present themselves to the media or to the public, Eddy Wizzy seems to be a simple guy, and Loverboy seems to be a difficult guy. So, Jeremy Nubene sends some message on the brain of the fans. Then why? Sometimes Babian Gamotino room fan Lu, no fan Murray, and so on. Then there's another person, Mano, fan no, you are the Cheraja, and so on tomorrow. So, don't key cutthroating points and can I do mood. Any musically. So, Amar Kidma Jorio and Dom, where music in Northern Uganda take work. That stage more and more is a good stage, is a good level. Yeah, live band, tini what brilliant. When